Hello, ChoroQ classic car fans. We have a 1966 Corvette Stingray with a blower on it. So, I did actually find a picture of someone putting a blown engine into this. It seems kind of wrong to me, sacrilegious. But I guess maybe this was done in the 60s where you didn't care. But nowadays, it just seems wrong to do that to such a beautiful car. Okay, so ChoroQ, they obviously, someone in that company likes Stingrays and a racing version of it, or drag racing version of it or something. So this is it. This is one of their early castings because it just says, oh wait, it does say a date, 1985. Alright. So this is from 1985. ChoroQ started in 1980. Alright. I don't know what this GT means. Maybe there's a whole series, something GT. So what's really weird immediately off the bat is, why is this axle so wide? And I've seen this in another classic ChoroQ. I ended up having to clip off the steel a little bit. There's some stickers here, some flames, nice wheels here, nice Dunlop tires. The blower is actually okay, I guess, as far as this detail goes. This is just raw red plastic. It's not painted at all, so that's too bad. Little molded details here, license plate, no color though. Street Fighter. I wonder if this was before the video game. The canopy is black plastic, and I think it's a separate piece. Yeah, you can see it there. It's almost opaque, but now you can actually see some light getting through. And then the tab here is part of this silvery plastic base. Recesses for the taillights and the wing here, but no additional paint. I'm not going to add any paint because I feel like this is such an old ChoroQ, I should just leave it alone. I don't want to do that to a classic thing. But I will actually, I am going to have to adjust this axle though. Yeah, let me come back. Alright, you'll see I reduced actually both axles. I wanted the tires underneath the fenders, and so I think it looks a little bit better now. Alright, let me pull out this other similar car. Must have been from the same series because it says that GT there. And yeah, same year. This is a Camaro Z28. It's actually it seems bigger. Same red plastic, not painted. Same tires and all that stuff. So let me show you a couple other Corvettes here. We have a ChoroQ from a little bit in the future. This is from 2007, a C3 Corvette. We have a free coffee promo. I think this might be a Kirin Fire coffee. And this is an 82 Vet. A bit smaller though. Quite a bit smaller. I think this is maybe Kirin as well. It says 1968 Corvette. But it's a different collection. It's a different, I don't know, maybe it's Suntory. But it's a free, toy that came with some coffee. And so the next two as well. We have a Corvette Grand Sport from 95, and I have some Hot Wheels Wheel Riders on that one. And then we have a 2011 Corvette that has some alloy wheels meant for Hot Wheels. So that is my super deformed Corvette collection to date. Yeah. Okay. So, it's a classic ChoroQ, so it's definitely lacking in details and stuff. But it has a certain charm to it, I think. Kind of like the very first Matchbox and the very first Hot Wheels have a certain charm to them. Okay, well thanks for watching, and if any more of these things come up, I will get them. If they're cheap enough. Okay, see you guys, bye.